tulin IKEA-sse toiduvoodi lihapalle ostma. Ma tahan näidata seda. See läheb sinna taha. Ehk siis see on järjekord. Et kui selgub, ma peame ka lihapallide pärast seda järgse ära seisma, siis seda kindlasti ei juhtu. Good morning.
Terry Tulimast.
What are you up to?
We have a parcel. It's called
Ooh. Who sent it?
Go Tickerberry of Rannacarity.
Very good.
Beamsy. I don't want to hack the box to death, but I've got a feeling that I'm going to hack the box to death. There must be a way in.
Yes, you have to cut the plastic on these things.
Yes. I thought there might be an easy way in. It smells of chicken.
Does it?
It does smell of chicken. Right then. So we have Costilla Sordus Authenticus Sultanis.
That's in Latvian, I think.
So that is pork stock, I imagine.
No, it's just rib stock.
Rib stock, okay. Rib stock.
Yes.
Sweet.
Oh, they're like, we got a lot of stock cubes. A lot.
So we're eating rib stock for hang on.
Like a we're gonna be covered until we're gonna be covered until like not this is Christmas, but okay, 2 years. Wow.
So it's looking good for our rib stock shop. There we go.
I'm gonna give some to your mum as well.
I think that's all of it. Oh.
What did you make? What face did you make?
Well, I made this face. Wow. Oh, honestly, there's loads of it. Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Right, thank you.
No, the rest as well. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
It is wow.
Muistika.
Muistika chocolate, yeah.
Kavakum.
Yes, these are my favourite candies, as you know.
There's this Kavakum for you.
Yes.
Hello, cheeky.
I'm done with Karakum as well for a while now. What did you get? Oh my god, like Jesus Christ. How much mustard? Oh my god.
All the mustard.
Oh my god. This Okei, värises. Mä naeran.
When I was in Stony last year,
Yeah.
we had one that we used in the Airbnb apartment, and I bought two, and I ran out about 3 weeks ago. So we have
Oh, Jesus.
about 7 years here. Right then, so thank you.
Good morning, Jason.
Sorry.
What day is it?
It's the day after raid. Saturday, I can't talk.
Laupäev. So where are we going?
We're going to the farms market.
Okay. What do you plan to buy from there?
I don't plan to buy anything. I plan to observe the buying, take care of the dog, who's there, and bankroll the operation.
Okay.
What do you intend to buy at the farmer's market?
I intend to see what they have and then decide.
Okay. But if we don't leave with some kind of mustard transportation device, then it would have been a bad day.
So basically you want a pie?
A pie or some smoked meat or something like that.
Or Scotch eggs?
Oh yeah, Scotch eggs, but the Scotch eggs are £1,000 each.
Yes, they are. They
because
are
they're
really
made out
expensive.
of unicorns and gold.
Okei. Ma lähen vaatan, mis turg näitab ka. Turg on päris tühi. Aga maske kandma ei pea. Kell on miski 9:30 äkki. Nii et me ei ole just väga varased, aga pole ka hilised. Inglased üldiselt armastavad pärast 11 kohal ilmuda. Nii et ma lähen vaatan, mis siin siis pakutakse meile. Vähemalt on 200 telke seekord, mis on juba edasi minek. Mustikesed, lihapallid, saiad, koogid, leivad. Et ma lähen vaatan, mis siin veel antakse. Liha. Liha meil on. Aga see lõhnab täpselt nii, et ma juba tean, et sõidab hommikusööki sealt. Siit me saame känguru ja muude selliste eksootiliste sebrade liha. Väga äge. Kitseme landudest tuleb midagi. Saiad, juustud, pirukad.
Oh, who's got one of these?
But try it first.
Which
There's a
one?
nice
Is that
one.
the Scotch bonnet one?
Yes.
Nii et ka Röidimere kastneid siin.
Take one from there.
Very tasty, but it has a kick.
Yeah.
I love Scotch bonnets. How is it?
It's good.
Is it? Do we need some?
Yes.
So we do the curried goat, lamb and all that, and you can use these ones for it. If we're doing the chickens, you do your prawns, your veggies, they're excellent because it's got a fruity taste to it.
This was really good.
And
Yep.
they are gluten free.
You want to try some else? Or
There you go, thank you.
we can chuck it in my backpack.
Well, that's what we're having for dinner.
But that was nice.
Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
Võtsime siit seeni. Siin on siniseid ja puuoistreid. No, he doesn't, but he hasn't been to England, so.
Oh, right, I see. Where are you from?
Estonia.
Oh, I see.
So yeah, I'm showing what
I
we're
was
buying.
actually in Estonia a few years ago.
Jalutame endiselt turul. Ostsin seeni terve hunniku. Oli väga tore. Mul on kohe hea meel sellega. Sest seene valik on see muidu kehvakene. Siit selle poisi käest ostsime lambassamoosasid. Mu lemmikud. Ise ei viitsi teha. Eriti väiksed kogused, eks ole. Ja nüüd lähme siis äkki lihuniku juurde, sest et siia arvas, et ta võtab sealt pigem porkpaid. Ja porkpaid on vaja selleks, et süüa ära seda sinepit, mis meile saabus. Ehk et sinepi transportimisvahend. So, did we leave the market, Jason?
We did briefly leave the market, yes.
Why are we back at the market?
Because we can't leave the market without buying some Scotch bonnet chilli from the people we bought some other chilli from earlier.
That is true. It was really good.
Yeah.
So we started walking back and
And I thought, we can't leave here without buying some more chilli. So, if you pan to the left,
ta-da!
Right.
Around the corner there. Me oleme tagasi.
Bangkok.
See on Šoti muna ehk siis Scotch egg, ei ole just kõige parem versioon, ta on, sest nagu sa näed, on ta siit juba pooltühi, aga tegelikult ta on siuke, muna peaks olema täpselt selle lihatäidise keskel siis täpselt.
Sinep.
Sinep, yes.
Scotchi eggi.
Muna is egg.
Scotchi muna.
Yeah,
Sinepi Scotchi muna.
yes.
It's not gone up my no-hoo. And now,
It's, no, it's the illness to get Nina is the thing you have.
so for your amusement,
Yeah.
I've doubled it up.
Okay.
Well, in fact, I've tripled it. Really.
Okay, really. Mm.
So I've put on a stupid amount of mustard.
Okay, but you're not gonna cry anyway.
Well, no, because it's not like being punched in the face with an axe, is it? It's just a bit of mustard. So now I have the mustard in the nose thing.
Yeah. But you're being brave for the camera. That's
Well, no, it's not. It's not that bad.
make it so that you cry.
Oh Jesus! Happy?
Yeah.
It's right in my nose now. Oh look, it keeps going. What a brave idiot.
There isn't.
There is a little tip.
Where? That's not a deer, it's wet.
It's a tear. I like it because it tastes nice.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Very good.
So if you enjoy this sort of nonsense, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and the bell icon so you can get noted when I do something a bit boring again.
No.
Naga missed.
Bye.